Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can open a NayaPay account. So let's get started. Now first off, once you installed your NayaPay app, just go ahead and open it, then once this screen opens, just select I'm new to NayaPay if you don't have an account already. Next up, you just need to input your first name and your last name and the email that you want to be associated with your NayaPay account. So let's go ahead and quickly do this. Once you inputted your first name, your last name and your email, just go ahead and tap on next. Then NayaPay will send an email to your email address with a 6-digit code for verification. So for this, you would just need to open up your email and then copy paste that code right here, just like this. Now once you inputted the verification code, just go ahead and tap on next. Then you will need to input your phone number, and of course first select your phone number provider. So these are the phone number providers that are available right here. So I will select Jazz and then just input my phone number. Then just go ahead and tap on next. Now on the next screen, you would need to enter a 6-digit verification code that was sent to your phone number. So it's the same deal as we did for the email previously. And then just go ahead and tap on next. Now on the next screen, you would need to set up your NayaPay credentials, that being firstly your NayaPay ID and then the password that you would like to be associated with your NayaPay account. After inputting your unique NayaPay ID and the password for your account, you can go ahead and tap on next. And there we go. Now your NayaPay account is created. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.